When planning a door replacement or new door installation in Dallas, weather plays a bigger role than many homeowners realize. From scorching summer heat and high humidity to sudden storms and seasonal temperature swings, Dallas weather can directly influence the type of door you choose, the materials you select, and even the timing of installation. Understanding how local climate conditions affect door performance will help you make a smarter, longer-lasting investment. Extreme summer heat and sun exposure. Dallas summers are known for intense heat and prolonged sun exposure. Doors that face direct sunlight, especially front entry doors, can absorb significant heat throughout the day. If you choose the wrong material, you may experience warping or expansion, fading or discoloration, increased heat transfer into your home, reduced energy efficiency. That's why many Dallas homeowners opt for fiberglass or insulated steel doors. Fiberglass resists warping and cracking under high temperatures, while steel doors with insulated cores help block heat transfer. Low-maintenance finishes and UV-resistant coatings also protect against fading caused by constant sun exposure. Humidity and moisture concerns. While Dallas isn't as humid as coastal regions, humidity still plays a role, especially during storm season. Moisture can cause certain materials, like untreated wood, to swell or deteriorate over time. Choosing moisture-resistant materials is essential for long-term durability. Fiberglass doors are particularly popular in Dallas because they resist both heat and humidity without requiring frequent maintenance. Professional installation also includes proper sealing and weather stripping to prevent moisture intrusion around the frame. Storm season and wind resistance. Dallas is no stranger to strong storms, high winds, and heavy rain. When selecting a new door, it's important to consider wind resistance and structural strength. Modern doors often include reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, heavy-duty hinges, impact-resistant glass inserts. These features provide added protection during severe weather while improving everyday security. Proper installation ensures the door is securely anchored to the home's structural framing, not just the trim, which is critical during high wind events. Temperature swings and expansion. Dallas weather can shift quickly, particularly during spring and fall. Temperature fluctuations cause building materials to expand and contract. A professionally installed door accounts for this movement. Installers leave precise spacing and use flexible sealants that accommodate expansion without compromising performance. This prevents issues like sticking doors, gaps forming around the frame, or premature wear. Energy efficiency in a warm climate. Cooling costs are a major concern for Dallas homeowners. A poorly insulated door can allow hot air to enter and cool air to escape, increasing strain on your HVAC system. Energy-efficient door options include insulated foam cores, double or triple pane glass inserts, low-E glass coatings, tight compression seals. These features reduce heat transfer and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, especially during peak summer heat. Choosing the right time for installation. While door installation can happen year-round in Dallas, milder weather in spring or fall can make the process more comfortable for homeowners. However, experienced installers are equipped to handle installations even during hot or unpredictable weather. They work efficiently to minimize the time your home is exposed to outdoor conditions. Monitoring weather forecasts ensures that heavy rain or extreme conditions don't interfere with installation quality. The importance of professional installation. Dallas weather demands careful attention to detail. Proper flashing, sealing, and insulation are essential to prevent air leaks, water intrusion, and long-term damage. Professional installers understand how local climate affects materials and performance. Their expertise ensures your new door is installed to withstand Dallas heat, storms, and seasonal shifts. A smart decision for Dallas homes. From intense sun and summer heat to storms and fluctuating temperatures, Dallas weather significantly impacts door installation decisions. Choosing the right materials and working with experienced professionals ensures your door performs reliably year after year. By considering local climate conditions during your decision-making process, you'll enjoy improved comfort, enhanced durability, and long-term peace of mind in your Dallas home.